Hi everyone, in this video you are going to learn about how to create chart using SPSS. Charts are used to make the reader to understand the content easily. There are various type of charts used by the researcher based on the need of the report. Let us see one by one. Categorical data are used to present bar chart. For testing normality, histogram has been used. If you want to compare data among different periods, line chart has been used. So for bar chart and bar chart, we are using categorical data. That means it is measured in nominal scale or ordinal scale. But when we are using histogram line chart, the data should be measured in scale. Let us see bar chart detailed manner. Already we know categorical data are used to present bar chart. Example, gender, age group, education level. So these are the some categorical data. There are various types of chart used in the report. First one is symbol bar chart. Symbol bar chart divided into two categories. One is vertical, another one is horizontal. When we are using vertical, when we have less than 7 category, we have to use vertical. If we have more number of category, at that time we have to use horizontal bar chart. Another type of bar chart is cluster bar chart. Cluster bar chart is used to compare two or more variables among different period or among different groups. Stacked bar chart also used to compare two or more variables, but the presentation style is somewhat different. Look at here. If we want to categorize total expenditure on particular day, so we can present the bar chart like this. Based on data, we can choose the suitable chart. The next is histogram. So histogram is generally used to test the normality. When we got bell-shaped curve, at the time our data is normally distributed. This is my SPSS file. By using these data, I am going to create bar chart. For that, click graph, choose chart builder. So you have to drag the type of chart which one you want. So I am going to create symbol bar chart. That's why I move this category from here to. So first I am going to prepare bar chart for gender. So I am going to move gender from variable list to x-axis. So we can get the gender. So in this place I want to specify percentage instead of count. So I am going to give percentage. Give OK. So this is the bar chart we got. So we can make some changes in this bar chart. By double click it, we can make necessary changes. For example, I want to change the color of the bar. Just click the bar. So the property will appear on the right side. So from that, fill and color. So here I want to change the color of bar from blue to yellow. So choose it and give apply. So look at here, the border color will not be visible until its weight is set the value greater than 0. Okay, give OK. So it will change, but you have to change the value in this place. So here 0, so I want to change it into 1. Give apply. If I want to change the width of the bar by clicking bar option, so it can be changed based on the size which one we need. If we want to apply some pattern in fill and the border, we can choose the pattern within the bar. So we can want to change the color of particular bar only. So just right click the bar and choose select this bar and apply the thing which one you want to make. Suppose I want to change the color, so this bar color will be changed. For differentiating bar, we can choose different size, color, pattern, etc. Give title of this bar chart. Just click insert title. So this here we can give title of the bar chart, gender wise classification. Specify percentage along with the bar. Just click it. Within the bar. So some changes we can present the chart fantastically. Next, let us see how to do cluster bar chart. For that, click graph, choose legacy dialogs. From that, click. Now I am going to create clustered bar chart. So click cluster, give define. Move gender to category axis and choose perception about quality in define cluster by. Give OK. So we can get cluster bar chart. So we can also do some changes in this bar chart. If you want to specify title, just double click it and choose the title. If I want to give the label, first you have to select the bar, then click show here. So we can see the count because in this place we give displayed count. Suppose I want to specify percentage, just move percentage from here to displayed box and move count to not displayed. Suppose I want to show the perception about the quality along with the percentage. So move non displayed to display. Give apply. So we can present the cluster bar chart some more clear manner. File used for preparing stacked bar chart. Here I want to know how many persons working in each department gender wise. For that, click graph, choose legacy dialogs. From that, click bar. So out of 3 bar, we have to choose stacked, and this option you have to click, that is values of individual cases. Click define. Here we have to move male, female and others in bar represent and a department to variable box. Click OK. Now we got the stacked bar chart. Suppose we want to specify the numbers within the bar, just double click it. This bar, choose show data label. We can get how many males are working in each department, how many females are working in each department. To prepare histogram. So histogram is generally used to test the normality. Here I have used only one variable, that is mark of the students. Only 20 students marks given in this file. Histogram chart, click graph and choose legacy dialogs. From that click histogram. So from that we have to move mark from left to right. We have only one variable, that's why we have to move that. So don't forget to click this display normal curve. Bell shaped curve, we can come to the conclusion whether the data are normally distributed or not. Okay. So in this diagram we got bell shaped curve. So the data is normally distributed. Saw the line chart during the cricket match for comparing the score of two teams. Like that, for comparison purpose, when the data is measured in scale, we are using line chart. Let gold price with silver price. So gold price is measured for 24 carat. Here silver price for 1 kg. Let us see how to draw line chart. Click graph. From legacy dialogs, choose line chart. Now we are going to use more than two variables, that's why click multiple, then click define. What are the items we want in line, that is price of gold and price of silver, to line represent, and year in variable. Give OK. Got line chart. Now I want to increase the thickness of the line. So click, just double click it. The property will appear on the right side. From that I want to change the size of the bar. So from here I have to change the width. Just from 1 to I want to change it as 4. Changing the color of the line, first you have to select the particular line. Just right click it, select the line, and so this way we can make some changes. In this file we can create the by chart. So for gender wise classification I am going to create by chart. Click graph, choose by chart from legacy dialogs, define. So now we have to move which one we want to use for by chart. Here I want to check gender wise classification, so move that into slides. We got by chart. Just by double clicking this we can change the property. If I want to give label, just click here. So what is the gender and percentage within the box, instead of count just move count from displayed to not display. Give apply. So we can give title by chart, and if you want to change the color, this is also applicable. I hope you understand this video. Thank you.